Welcome to this tutorial on how to limit quantity on Shopify, a crucial feature for managing inventory and preventing overselling. Limiting quantity is essential for maintaining a healthy and profitable online store. To start, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the Products section. Here, you will see a list of all your products. Click on the product for which you want to limit the quantity. In the Product Details page, scroll down to the Inventory section. Click on the Track Quantity checkbox to enable inventory tracking for the product. This will allow you to set a quantity for the product. Next, enter the quantity of the product you have in stock in the quantity field. This will be the maximum number of units that can be purchased by customers. To set a minimum or maximum quantity for a specific product variant, click on the Edit Variants button and select the variant you want to limit. Enter the minimum or maximum quantity allowed for that variant. Another way to limit quantity is by using Shopify's built-in quantity limits feature. To access this feature, go to the Settings section of your Shopify admin panel and click on Checkout. Scroll down to the Quantity Limits section and select the minimum and maximum quantity allowed per customer. You can also use third-party apps to limit quantity on Shopify. These apps offer more advanced features, such as limiting quantity based on customer tags or location. To take it a step further, consider implementing a quantity limiter at the variant level. This means setting different quantity limits for different product variants. For example, if you have a product with different sizes or colors, you can set a different quantity limit for each size or color. Best practices for limiting quantity on Shopify include regularly updating your inventory levels, setting realistic quantity limits, and communicating clearly with customers about quantity restrictions. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively limit quantity on Shopify and maintain a healthy and profitable online store. Limiting quantity helps prevent overselling, reduces the risk of inventory errors, and improves customer satisfaction.